This is the update of the Russian special military operation in Ukraine on June 28, 2022. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue to carry out attacks on military operation facilities in Ukraine. According to the report of Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov, 7 Ukrainian Torsk-U ballistic missiles have been intercepted near Staktanov, Alshevsk, Lozovsky, Lugansk People Republic, and 10 multiple rocket launcher systems near Sukaya Kamenka, Ternovoya, Kharkov region, Donetsk, Yazinovataya, Troitskoye, and western suburbs of Avdiivka, Donetsk People Republic. In total, 218 aeroplanes and 133 helicopters, 1,382 unmanned area vehicles, 350 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,837 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 690 combat vehicles equipped with a multiple rocket launcher system, 3,037 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 3,889 units of the special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military. On the other hand, Ukraine also reported the Russian loses 217 aircraft, 185 helicopters, 1,567 tanks, and anti-aircraft warfare system, 243 multiple launch rocket system, 2,589 vehicles fuel tanks, and 636 manned area vehicles and 14 boats.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.